Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says that they are fully focused on securing a win against Panama in their crucial final Group C match at the CONCACAF Gold Cup in Texas, USA this evening, starting at 6 Jamaica time. The Reggae Boys are currently second on 3 points and need to beat Panama, who are atop the group on 6 points. The Panamanians also need a win to confirm their progress from the group. McLaren is well aware of the significance of the contest.
This is a very important tournament in which we wanted to do well. We said that from the very beginning. And we come to a stage. I've been in tournaments before. It always comes to a stage where the third game is always, you must draw to go through, or you must win to go through, or you have to score so many goals to go through, and you have to relax. So we will wait and see. The main thing we're focusing on is beating Panama tomorrow. That's it.
A loss could be costly and eliminate the Jamaicans, depending on what happens in the Guadeloupe-Guatemala match. Jamaica clipped Panama 1-0 the last time the two teams met in the CONCACAF Nations League in 2024. McLaren knows the capabilities of the Panamanian team.
It's also from Panama. I know the level that he coaches at, so he's worked Panama 5 years. And you can see why they've made progress. So I think, it's like everything. You improve the coaching, you get better coaches, you get better players.
With World Athletics confirming with TVJ Sports on Monday that they are in receipt of 4 transfer of allegiance requests from Turkey for Jamaican athletes, the Jamaican Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, say they will formally raise concerns at the upcoming World Athletics Congress in Tokyo.
We are putting it in black and white, and we will be sending it to World Athletics to be heard at the Congress. And I will be taking a written copy to the Congress in Tokyo, Japan.
While noting that they've still not been officially notified by Olympic discus gold medalist Roger Stoner, Olympic shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, and Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock, as well as triple jump finalist Jaden Hibbert or the Turkish Federation about their transfer to the Middle Eastern country, the J3A say they'll be guided by the protocols of the global governing body.
Jamaica's voice will be heard, and I'm sure I will be having quite a number of colleagues following with me on this motion. So colleagues, let me be a little more clearer. We're not happy. We surely can't be happy. 4 talented young athletes, that's like a brain drain in teaching.
Led by Captain Hayley Matthews, West Indies women secured their first series win over South Africa women since 2013 after winning the third and final T20 International by 6 wickets in Barbados on Monday to secure a 2-1 series victory. Electing to bat, South Africa women were restricted to 147 for 6 of their 20 overs. Maine Smith top scored with an unbeaten 59. Off spinner, Karishma Ramarak took 2 for 18 and leg spinner, Afi Fletcher 2 for 28 for the Windies women. In reply, the Caribbean women lost opener Kiana Joseph for 6 and top order batter Reliana Grimmond for 5 as the Windies women slipped to 32 for 2. However, player of the match and the series, Matthews, cracked 65 from 50 balls, including 9 fours and a 6. She also shared in an 82-run third wicket stand with Shemaine Campbell, who made 42. Jamaica's Chanel Henry chipped in with an unbeaten 20 to secure the Caribbean women's second T20 series victory in 2025. And that is it for your midday sports roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.